Welcome to Cognition Chunks. This information is for entertainment only. I am not trained in physics. Episode 11. Motion and change as relationships between configurations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're venturing into a mind-bending topic that will shift how you think about motion and change in the universe. Forget everything you know about things moving through space and time, because we're about to explore motion and change as relationships between configurations. This isn't just physics, it's a whole new way to see the world around us. Let's dive in. What are configurations? First up, let's break down what we mean by configurations. Think of configurations as specific arrangements or states of a system, like how planets align, how atoms are structured, or how stars are positioned in a galaxy. In traditional physics, we study how these configurations change over time, but what if we looked at motion and change differently? Motion as relationships, not time. Imagine that instead of viewing motion as something happening over time, we see it as a relationship between different configurations. For example, when a planet orbits a star, traditionally, we think of it as moving through space over time. But in this new view, we think of it as shifting from one arrangement or configuration of the solar system to another. The key here isn't the ticking clock, it's about how the entire system's configuration changes. Visualizing change differently. To help visualize this, think about a flipbook. Each page of the flipbook shows a static image, a configuration. When you flip through the pages quickly, the images appear to move, but really the motion you perceive is just your brain interpreting the changes in configuration from one page to the next. There's no time in the flipbook, just a sequence of static configurations. Why this matters? You might wonder, why think about motion this way? Well, this perspective can simplify complex phenomena by focusing on how things relate to each other, rather than how they move over time. It's particularly useful in quantum physics, where the traditional concepts of moving through time can become fuzzy. This approach allows scientists to predict and understand interactions in systems from subatomic particles to vast galaxies without relying solely on the concept of temporal progression. Real-world implications. This isn't just theoretical, it has real-world implications. In technology, such as quantum computing and telecommunications, understanding relationships between configurations, rather than dynamic changes over time, can lead to more robust and effective designs. It helps in predicting and managing systems where traditional notions of motion and time might not apply as cleanly. Wrapping it up, so there you have it. Motion and change as relationships between configurations offer a fascinating new lens to view the universe. It challenges our usual perceptions and opens up new avenues for understanding and manipulating the physical world. If you loved this deep dive into a new way of thinking about motion and change, smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future explorations. Have thoughts or questions about this topic? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep questioning and exploring, because the more we learn, the more we realize how much there is to discover. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for joining us for another Cognition Chunks.